Best dehumidifier for car. 6 Best dehumidifier for car. Number 1. Portable dehumidifier for car. A portable dehumidifier can be used in your car to help reduce the level of humidity, and as a result, help to keep you and your passengers comfortable. Number 2. Reusable car dehumidifier. A reusable car dehumidifier is a device that helps to remove moisture from the air inside your car. Number 3. Electric car dehumidifier. They work by drawing moisture out of the air and then dissipating it into the outside environment. Number 4. Silica gel dehumidifier for car. A silica gel dehumidifier for a car is a small, lightweight device that plugs into the 12-volt power outlet in a car and absorbs moisture from the air. Number 5. Handmade dehumidifier for car. A dehumidifier can come in handy if you live in a damp, humid environment. They help to reduce the moisture in the air. Number 6. Solar-powered car dehumidifier. A solar-powered car dehumidifier helps to keep the inside of your vehicle free from moisture, helping to prevent mold and mildew from forming.